Are you dealing with fine lines, sagging skin, or just want that youthful glow? Then today's video is exactly what you need. So we are going to be making a simple all natural face mask using just rice and aloe vera that helps boost collagen, tighten the skin, and smooth away wrinkles, making your skin look as young and firm as it did in your 30s or even younger. Ready for a skin transformation right from your kitchen? Then let's dive in now. Please do not forget to like and share with friends and family. It might help someone out there. And do not forget to subscribe as well. Let's get in. Rice isn't just a kitchen staple. It is a skincare miracle packed with ferulic acid, antioxidants, and vitamin B. Rice helps brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and improve elasticity. It also contains natural sun protection agents that helps prevent further aging. Used consistently, rice mask can firm the skin and visibly reduce fine lines. So we take 2 teaspoons of cooked rice and mash it into a smooth paste, and 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, either stored, bought, or direct from the plant. Mix until it forms a thick, smooth cream. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which is optional. I did not add it here, for extra nourishment if you want. Apply the mask to a clean skin using your fingers or a brush. Focus on the areas with the fine lines, like your forehead, your under eyes, and smile lines. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and follow up with the light moisturizer or rose water. And now we'll say thank you for watching to this stage. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. Kindly watch the rest of the video and see how it came out, and also how I apply it for a glow beautiful skin.